We're down here at the bus stop at Nazaré and we're all ready to go to
Porto.
Yay!
Overnight trip.
Yeah, we're going just for the one night, leaving Lee at home with Deja and Sophie. Red Express bus is behind us. August 2022, Ma, Gaz and I caught the 6:25 a.m. bus from Nazaré to Porto. Now there is a later one that is only €5 if you book it well in advance. We decided to go last minute, they just took the earliest one. Here at Lello bus station, and I'm so sad to say, the blinking free toilets were locked. And they now have these. So it's a little bit sad that my one place with guaranteed free loos, it's closed. We made it to Porto on time. It's a sunny day. We're heading now to our hotel. This bus station is a different one than I expected. It's the Campo 24th of August. So we've got a 1 kilometre walk into town. So there's Sao Bento train station. And here is the Hotel Peninsula, which is where we've booked for one night. So we're just going to go and have a quick look and oh my word. This is a lot fancier than what we're used to. Oh, they sell the little roosters. Look at the azulejos. This is incredible. €88 a night, plus city tax. This is so cool. We've got our keys early. And so we're heading upstairs and look at what's en route. I can't believe how fancy this place is. I think this is the breakfast area, I'm not too sure. Buffet breakfast between 8 and 10. This is just bon dia. Lee and I never stay anywhere like this normally. Oh darling. 205, we're 2:15. And after going for a little walk around, here we are. 2:15. Oh my word, looks amazing.
Wow.
Got a wardrobe. Not that we have enough stuff to put in our wardrobe. A TV. Wow, and look at this ensuite. Oh my word. So seriously, and there's soap and little cups. €88 a night, plus €2 each for city tax. This is incredible value for Porto in blinking summer. Now, all important question is, are we right on the road? Are we going to get the noise? No. Oh, that's so wonderful. That was my biggest fear, that we'd be right on Sao Bento station, but we're not. Brilliant. So we're back here in Sao Bento railway station, almost 2 years after we were here the first time. And seriously, so opposite Sao Bento railway station, this is where we came loads of times before. They used to have like a €6.50 menu. No more. Of course, it's August, it's summer. So now they've got like sardines, €8, bacalhau, 14. And these aren't a menu, they're simply pratos. But I have to say, like, the pastries still look good. But wow, we're going to be on the hunt now to find a cheap menu do dia here in Porto. Lee and I missed this last time. For some reason we didn't come to McDonald's. We don't normally go to McDonald's. But apparently this is one of the most beautiful in the world. So Ma, Gaz and I are going to go in for a little look-see. Check it out. buy something?
I wonder if there's a Portuguese burger like they have a Kiwi burger.
Maybe, there might be. We'll go and have a look.
Alright.
Okay, it's got nice stained glass, I suppose, and kind of chandeliers. And there's some nice mirrors. I kind of wouldn't call it the most beautiful one in the world. Maybe I'm just a bit demanding. What do you think? I don't think I'd call it the most beautiful McDonald's in the world.
No.
Maybe the most opulent.
Yeah.
Not as good as the Witherspoons.
Witherspoon.
Yeah, you know.
But
Yeah, we don't do McDonald's.
no, none of us eat McDonald's, so we're just here really for the look-see. Okay, very, very different in August from November 2020 and cover times, because it would appear that this is the queue to go into one of the most famous bookstores in the world. We're coming round, you've got your famous churches, well, former convent and monastery up ahead. But that's not what these people are waiting for. They're waiting to go into the Livraria Lello in Portugal. Supposedly the inspiration for the bookstore in Harry Potter with the moving staircase. Because apparently J.K. Rowling taught English in Porto many years ago. So, oh my word, the difference from when Lee and I were here. We should have paid our €5 then when there was no one, you know?
To go in there.
To go in here. Then again, it looks pretty, but you know.
There's a pawn shop.
So that's a queue to go in there.
Go to your local library for nothing.
Exactly. So these two are library fans as well. Yay!
Wow.
Go
Libby
libraries.
online.
It's so incredible to be here in August and in non-covered times, because look at that. Cleric's Tower, Porto Clerigos, the University of Porto, and up ahead are those magnificent buildings. And there's a little bit of confusion about our meals, but we got it sorted. And soups now. Gaz has got the vegetable and Ma's got the fish.
It smells so nice.
It does smell lovely and fishy and tasty and good. While they're tasting it, I had white wine, I think it's 250ml. Gaz had a bottle of Superbot, 330, and Ma had her zero alcohol Superbot. So what's the verdict on the soup?
The soup is nice.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
And a bread roll as well.
And I'm not a fan of vegetable soup, and it's nice.
Brilliant. We've gone for 3 menus of the day. It's incredible. 2 years later, it's still €7. So cool. I just cannot believe this place is still here, and in August, it still has the same incredible value. And to finish our delicious meal, we each have a cafe cheio, of course. So how do you feel, Ma? How was that?
The meal's good. Yeah, that's really nice. And the coffee is very nice, even though it's decaffeinated. It's great.
Gaza?
It's good. Great meal. Full to the brim.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, it was really good. This place, it's so lovely that the quality is just as good as it was before. I'm getting a bit flush after my white wine. Excellent. And now we're going to go for a walk to Crystal Palace Gardens, because they're just so lovely, and what a wonderful place to chill and relax before we head out sightseeing again. We've walked down from the restaurant and here we are entering the lovely gardens of Crystal Palace. So apparently there used to be a beautiful Crystal Palace here. Now we've just got this big dome, but it's still lovely. Have a good look around and hopefully see some peacocks. Okay, something to be careful of. Watch out. They may be aggressive if we do see some peacocks. Looking around here at the Superboc Arena. Can you see the people at the top? Apparently that's a new tourist thing to do. €12.50 for an adult. Oh my word, I don't think I'd be doing that. And if you can also see at the bottom here, there are loads and loads and loads of people waiting for something. So apparently they're all queuing for a Luis Santana concert, a Brazilian performer. So just walking down there. Oh, there's Ma and Gaz over that way. And I'm so pleased to say I've just found open, free toilets here, just by gate 6. So I brought Ma and Gaz along here to see the beautiful view of the River Douro, but of course, look at it. It's summertime, which means the trees are fully in leaf. Lee and I were here in November 2020, which is why we got the amazing views then. But wow, the shade here is just absolutely wonderful. There's a kiddies playground, and then through the trees is a Douro. Wow, look at this, it's a bloomin' parade of pea hens. And a child chasing them, because that's what children do, of course. But I wonder where the peacocks are. Oh, I can see glimpses of water through there. This place is just so beautiful, Crystal Palace Gardens, and we found a really good blog which does an excellent, like a one-day walking tour of Porto. I'll put the link to it in the description below, like in the pinned comment, because I don't know, it's amazing. Like, you check out most vlogs, what to do in one day in Porto, and they all seem to go to the same thing, same places, but this blog actually sends you here, which I think is great. And to so many other places as well. So stunningly beautiful. I think this actually is called the Garden of Love, this area below us here. Jardim do Amor. I'll have to check it out. So we were hunting for peacock and we found them. I don't know if you can see them, but there are 6 up that tree. Wow, and okay, there's 2 over this way. This is one that might exhibit aggressive behaviour, so I'm going to back away, leave them be. Half an hour later, and this is now the queue to go and walk on the top of the Super Arena. €12.50 per person. My days. This is such good news. Come back to my favourite building in Porto, the Photography Museum, and entry is still free. We're going to come through now and just show you how amazing this place actually is. Got your different floors. Come through. Okay, this is for wheelchair access, etc. There's amazing doors. It feels so beautiful. And the toilets are pretty cool as well. So the very top floor is the Photography Museum. This is the like mini cameras and the spy camera section. It's just so cool to see so many people in here. I just really never get sick of this view. Sao Bento, the Say, Dom Louis I Bridge, and the Rio Douro. Majestic, magnificent, magical Porto. So we've come to the Miradouro da Vitória. As you can see, it's no longer a quiet, desolate, lonely place. Lots of people and tour groups. But you can totally understand why when you look at this incredible view. Oh my word. I mean, yeah, mind your footing. Because of course, it's a long drop down and it's quite a low wall. Look at that stunning view of the Douro. Wow. Dom Louis I Bridge. The Say, the cathedral. That's another Miradouro straight ahead. Don't think we're quite ready to head down to Ribeira just yet, which is straight down that way. We'll just keep wandering for a bit more, but our feet are getting tired. Dom Louis Bridge is still as spectacular as ever, and there's that funicular lift thing that goes down. Hopefully we'll see it. The station at the bottom. And yes, my vertigo is it's kicking in. I'm just ignoring it. Here's the amazing, I think it was a former military base. It's 6:30 p.m. so the sun's getting ready to get a bit lower. Everything looks hazy, misty and very pretty. My word, that's a long boat. So this looks so cool. Of course this was all closed when we were here. The Vinci Ponte di Ferro, I think it's, well, 6 months Sky Bar. And look at that. Eat, sleep, swim, repeat. I am positive one of our YouTube friends, Nadalina from Travels with Nadalina, stayed in this hotel because she had this beautiful shot one morning looking out the window and seeing the metro go past, the tram. Well, if you check out her video and have a look, because wow, this is just absolutely stunning. This is so cool. Jardim do Moro, overlooking the Dom Louis I Bridge, up to the amazing military fortress. You can see loads of people up there enjoying themselves with drinky poos bought from Mini Presso. We've just been and bought some. Wow, what a view of the river. Beautiful.
It's alright, or it's not much grass here.
Yeah. We've got like the ultimate frugal travel dinner. How to chorizo. They were always at 2 for €1.20, end of the day. They're very hearty, aren't they? Heavy as anything, and got your chorizo. They're not warm, but they're still tasty. Guess it's got a mini prezzo box of wine. Yeah, Ma's civilized with her 89 cents. Yeah, Ma's got a tonic. Going around, there's a lovely fortress up there. Some English talking about how much they spent at the courthouses. We come around, the Say's over there, and in the distance we have the River Douro. How lovely! The sun's just set and everyone's clapping. Didn't realise that was a tradition, but that is so cool. And that's it. It's gone. Another day. This is so beautiful. Sun's just set over the River Douro. We come around here, Riviera, down there, Cais de Riviera. Dom Louis I Bridge. Trendy Bar. And, oh my word, it's just absolutely stunning. It's been 2 years since we were in Porto, almost 2 years. And I love it. Absolutely love it. Could definitely live here. It's 20 minutes later and oh my word, so hard to tear ourselves away. So unbelievably beautiful. I think it's my favourite skyline in the world, second favourite city in the world after Venice. I love Porto. Into Sao Bento at like 10 to 10 at night, and it turns out this is the time to be here. It's blinking empty, almost. Isn't it different from before?
Quiet. You haven't got 8 bloody tour guides around here.
Yeah. It's just so lovely. You can see the beautiful azulejos. Beautiful. And yeah, our hotel is just around the corner. So cool.